how you started from 300 pesos to 300 million.
Mabibiyay tayo.
Legal naman, legal. Okay.
I'm Anna Prisha. Please subscribe to Marvin's channel.
Go! So we're in Iloilo right now. We're walking. We are at Icon 2019, just at the break. Ana Quisha was an amazing speaker this morning. Sobra, for those who missed this, you missed a lot. Ang ganda ng story niya. My question is this. You centered your talk on how you started from 300 pesos to 300 million.
Mabibiyay tayo.
Legal naman, legal. Okay.
Yeah.
How did you do it? 3 things that pushed you to be able to do it.
It's the grit.
Okay.
Right? Because the grit, it gives you the passion to do the drive for you to just move and move and never quit, right?
Okay.
So it's also about reinventing yourself, right? You have so many skills. You just need to discover and uncover your potential and just push forward.
Okay.
And sabi mo 3.
Oh, 3, go.
And the third is,
What's the third? Okay. While we're going for the third one, teka. You said kanina you were at rock bottom, pero sobrang dami mo ng experience sa business noon, tapos may nag-uutang ka pa ng 10 million. Paano nangyari yun?
syempre,
Kahit madami kang experience
sulong ka ng sulong,
Okay.
diba? And you believe in what you do.
Okay.
But sometimes, of course, maraming factors, economic, financial, etc. Pero going back to the third, diba, that what kept me going and that pushed me forward is, of course, stewardship.
Okay.
Diba? It's about being able to know and appreciate personal finance. Kasi it all boils down to handling your money, budgeting, and all of that.
Okay. Pero dun sa lahat na yun, you'd say na your biggest success was going into blockchain, going into crypto?
Yes.
Okay. Pero what was that? What hindi ko natanong, no, or was it mentioned yung what did you buy a particular crypto, what particular coin at that time?
Yeah, at that time.
Was it
mentioned?
Di ba? Bawal?
Oh, and then after that, of course, I bought it at 20 cents.
Okay.
And then after several months, 5 or 6 months, it went up to $2.25.
Hindi Ethereum to. Hindi ba Ethereum to?
Hindi siya Ethereum. And then that was during the height and all the
This was
craze on cryptocurrency.
This was 2017. Okay, 2017.
End of 2017, mga ganyan.
2017, you were 10 million in debt, and then you invested in crypto, and then it boom, went up.
It went up.
Pero do you suggest that to people?
Of course not.
Okay.
Of course not. Diba? It's marami 'yun eh. There are so many factors. Timing, right? Yung very important yung timing. It's just like stocks. Minsan nasa up ka, minsan nasa down ka. It's really a matter of finding that right spot. It's sometimes hindi mo alam kung luck ba yun or really good timing in the market where you position yourself, where you position your bets.
Okay. Ito interesting. Syempre, yung binili mo dati, hindi naman siya mabibili ng tao ngayon to get that success also. Pero dun sa ininvestan mo na yun, what did you see in that na dun ka naglagay? Yung crypto na yun yung binili mo. Ano yung, what was in it na that gave you an inkling na baka tumaas talaga to na sobra? What did you see? What did you see in it?
Of course, you study.
Okay.
Even if before, I was always encouraging people to study carefully, right? The team, the business, the idea, the execution. Just like in stocks, you study the company. Dapat continuous may sales, may revenue, the ability of that company to succeed, of course, relies on its people, on its management, on its leadership.
So you bought.
Even the same principle applies to cryptocurrencies and others.
So you were banking on na maganda yung company na to na naggawa ng coin na yon.
Yes.
Pero what made it so different? Anong meron sa kanya na wala sa iba? Na siya yung umakyat. Ano yung what made it?
Maraming umakyat at that time.
Okay.
Some even went up to $6 or
Okay.
more. Some went up to even as high as 11. Pero it's really about the timing. We just chose it, di ba? At that time, the idea, the execution was very unique.
Okay.
And right now, sakto lang, even if the market is very, very low in general, it's still surviving.
Hello. Here's what's interesting. Sa cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin hit around 19,000, yes? That's went to around 4,000. That's now it's up a bit already from where it was before.
Yeah.
Is it a good time still to position in cryptocurrencies and in Bitcoin in particular, or should they go in altcoins already?
I still believe in Bitcoin.
Okay.
Kasi it has a very different business.
Okay.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, it's an anomaly in the blockchain space. Since it was the first use case of blockchain, there's something unique about it
Okay.
na wala with other altcoins and other cryptocurrencies.
Will Bitcoin have mass adoption, or will there be something else that will probably be more
We
used?
are seeing or we are hearing about Libra.
Oh, yun
and
nga,
others,
yun
right?
Yun yung final question nga sana. What's your take on Libra? Will it, kasi here's my take on Libra para to frame the question. What I like about it is may basket of currencies na nandun. So it's not something from scratch, which is the negative naman for others kasi hindi talaga siya pure hindi siya pure cryptocurrency kasi may nakaalat na pera attached to it. Then I see it as, since Facebook yan,
There's a massive adoption already.
may massive
There's a ready audience.
tapos pwede nilang gawin, okay, lahat ng transaction sa marketplace, ano na lang, Libra
Yeah,
gagamitin natin, or lahat ng gagamit ng WhatsApp, Messenger, you can transfer money,
They
like
can
what's happening in
impose.
China. That's
Yeah.
what's happening in China right now.
Yes.
So, yun, what's your take on it? When it happens, you think it will fly?
In general, anything positive going on in any cryptocurrency is good news for any other cryptocurrency. So Libra is a good news for even for others. So if there's a massive adoption, because there's a ready audience of Facebook users that can use, if they would impose Libra tokens or Libra coins, then it could pull other cryptocurrencies kasi you could just need to match the conversion of that, right?
Okay.
So you could say, oh, 1 Libra is X number of tokens of X currency. If there's something positive going on with one token, then it could be beneficial to another token
Okay.
because it's just a matter of, doing a handshake between these two tokens.
Okay.
So any positive adoption in one can pull another adoption from another
Okay.
currency, di ba? Because at least evident right now that there's a clearer path on going cashless, going digital assets.
I believe that's
than
where
before.
everything is going.
Yes.
Na eh. Did you ever seeing yourself having a 1 billion valuation? Was that ever in your plan?
Hindi naman masamang maharap.
Okay. Pero plinano mo yun? Or parang may vision board ka ba nun na balang araw, company, 1 billion valuation?
Sa tech companies, it's not difficult to achieve that because any
Money's easy, no? Money's easy.
in technology, because
Okay.
of its scalability, the nature of its scalability.
Okay.
Unlike the moms and pop stores that you need to build from scratch and you need to make certain number of sales. In technology, you build it once, you sell it to many. Right? So any good valuation, whether it's $1 million or
Okay.
$1 billion valuation, I'm not saying it's really, really easy, but it's achievable.
Do you have any goals pa? What's your end goal for all of this?
Of course, as mentioned a while ago, money is just a tool, right? We enrich ourselves to be able to give back. We enrich ourselves to be able to bless others. So, but while we are not yet in the capacity of giving back, it's always about trying to find your potential, and you don't give up no matter what happens.
Alright. So, Ana Quisha, CEO, Traction, Gava Gives, Parasure, everything you need to know about her, I'll put the link below so you get inspired on it can be done eh. You can reach for your dreams even if you're rock bottom, you're all out. Dadating din yung panahon, as long as you don't stop, no? You keep on
Don't stop.
hustling and you keep on doing it until you get your yes.
Don't quit.
And then you can turn that negative into something like Anna, very, 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 very positive. So, that's it. We feature people who have done it that are willing to share. Kasi, yeah, that's why I do videos like this. Madaming tao magaling, but they don't share it. It's nice to see people who are good at what they do and then they share it kasi people need some kind of positive
Yes.
information and hope
People
also.
need to be pushed, di ba? People need to be pushed. It takes one person to just lift another person.
Alright, so that's it for now. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Anak siya.
Subscribe to Marvin Germos.
Sobrang yaman.
No, utangan ako.
Huwag niyo siya utangan. Pero alamin niyo how she did it kasi para ma-replicate niyo din siya. See you all again soon, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.